President Museveni yakira abajenyi be kandi yabashaba kusiga ensogo y'obushubuzi mu Uganda ahabwa obusinjo buri mu ihanga hamwe n'embeera nungi ekirabahwere okukora emirimo yabo hatine kirukubaganzya.
Wealth will come from specialization and exchange. You specialize in something you are good at, and you concentrate on it, and you produce it, and you exchange it to somebody else. That will create more wealth. So Adam Smith, therefore, contributed to the clarification of thinking. Because in the world, many of the things are distorted by wrong thinking. You think wrongly, you end up with wrong results.
Hona nawe President Museveni yayanjurira abanyamyoga aba okuruga mu United Arab Emirates oku Uganda yakorise bishuji okwetambira endwara ya COVID-19 kandi ngubinji bakakira endwara egi barukorese bishaka. Ahantu ho yashabira abanyamyoga okwatanisa n'abasayansa ba Uganda okore yindi mubazi era hamane entasi y'amahanga gombi.
Therefore, in terms of business planning, when you are here, you are in the right place at the right time. In terms of planning, so you can have the production, you have the market of Uganda, market of East Africa, market of Africa.
Okuvuga noku kwahikaho State Minister w'ebyamakorero Evelyn Anite.
Your Excellency, the delegation from UAE gave us good assurance and they walk the talk. You know the global gases that you did attract, they are already here. Your Excellency, Amir Power, you did talk to them. They are now building for us that solar plant in Madiokolo for energy security. Your Excellency, you've heard from Modern Tiles, creating jobs for Ugandans. Your Excellency, One Mobility, interested, and KCCA made a very big pitch that they must come and work on the road infrastructure and also the transport of the public sector.
Gasha kwa Jamba Tadeo.